Sure that. What's up, good people? Hey, if you guys could hear me, let me know if you guys could hear me. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trying something different here with these mics, so I apologize if there's an echo. Good morning, good people. Somebody comment if you could hear me, okay? Anyway, we're just gonna go. We're just gonna just go in. Oh, I see somebody. I got 5. Boom. All right, all right, all right. Hey, we're just gonna do a little market open. Thanks. Look at here. I love that. I can see them. I can see you. I can see you guys now, even without the eyeglasses. Hey, how you doing, Miss Kim? Gator, Andonis Brooks, good morning. Coffee cups in the chat. That's right. $1 Million cup of coffee. We going with it. Stanley Jenkins, how you doing? Jenkins. All right. Hey, what's happening? Where y'all from? Nathaniel. What is this word here?
Damien.
Is that Damien?
I think so.
Wow. Let me put my glasses back on.
You're moving
Barry
fast.
Weems, what's going on? Good morning to you. Tommy Goss, good morning. Ian Houston, good morning. Yep. I hear you. He said, what'd he say? ABC is about to run up. Hey, this is going to be a short one. Good morning, John Henry. Wow, I know a John Henry. Hey, man, you owe me $5, John. No, I'm just joking. So, hey, what's happening? Canada, Florida, where y'all at? Where y'all at from around the world? Do we got any more countries here? Hello, hey, all right. Wow, look at this.
Wow, it's cool.
Yep, New York City, Boston, Phoenix, Arizona, Oregon. Where you at? Where you at this morning? Chime in. Hey, this is going to be a short one. We just before the open. Let me get Josh in here. Good morning, Zola
Hey,
G,
family.
Ashley Wade, Adam, Billy, Michael Allen, Patricia Allen. Wow. Hey, are y'all related? Michael and Patricia, y'all related? So, hey, look at this. Now, what flag is that?
That's the
UK.
British. That's UK.
Yeah. Hey, Ozzy, Riaz. I'm sorry if I'm jacking your name up. Let's go. Let's get it. Hey, Callie in the house. When are you coming to Columbia? You know what? I'm going to be doing some things. Nola in the house. I got to get back to Nola. Yes, sir. All right. Let's get into a few things. We're just going to discuss the market. The market just opened, actually, while I'm running my mouth. Let's look at it. Opening bell. Let's listen for 1 second, good people. Let's just see. Look at all that green. That's what we like to see, good people. That's what we like to see, all of the green. All right. The Dow is green. S&P is green. What else? Come on. Flip the charts, you guys. All right. Let's just look at it ourselves. Yep, look at that. The Dow, we love green. This is the third day that we got a lot of green. We love green around here, Josh. We absolutely love the green machine. Hey, you guys know what Tesla did yesterday? Tesla came out booming. Look at that. Tesla's $1,071 and it is up 9%. Tesla ain't playing. We know that Netflix has been a falling knife. It's just been falling day after day. What was it, down 35% yesterday? Last quarter down by double digits. The quarter before that down by double digits. I wouldn't touch Netflix. It's a falling knife. Let's look at the reopening stock. Look at this, good people. Still at it. Parks and hotels. Let me know if you got any one of these plays. Parks and hotels still up by 2.68. Hilton's 221. Norwegian almost 4. Look at this. American Airlines almost 8. Let me know in the chat if you got any of this. We've been following this for almost a week and a half now. And you know what? Let's go to a week and a half right now. Let's just go out a week on these. Look at these numbers. Look at American Airlines. So why everybody's chasing the hype stock, these reopening plays are on fire. Look at American Airlines in the last 5 days. That's crazy. Let's look in the last month. Look at American Airlines in the last month, good people. Almost 31%. Look at Norwegian, 16. Look at Hilton, 10. Look at Parks and Hotel, almost 10. And so while we're just chasing the hype stock, good people, there's money to be made in these reopening plays, okay? Yes, it's a risk, but if you were in American Airline and you got in on this run up, like I did, you can cash out right now. Matter of fact, you can cash out on all of them right now from the day that I brought them to you, and you'll be up. All right, what you got, Josh?
Well, I just been looking at the charts, and this little bump up, we're needing to digest that last big move up. But it would actually be better long term for the markets if they came down a little bit, Larry.
Yeah.
And
somebody got. Oh, that's not American Airlines. What is? Yeah, it is American Airlines. What he said.
that's not a.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Well, yeah, so we need to come down, and it would be better if we came back a little bit and tested our support line to continue to build up to get back to the idea of potentially hitting all-time highs. We see a lot of cash in the system right now. A lot of people have cashed up. That's why we're either seeing strong surges or fails. We've got Netflix dropping hard, and you've got Tesla surging, right? This is sort of an indication of indecision in the market and the fact that there's a lot of cash sitting on the sidelines. So people are like, well, hey, this is doing well. I'm going to throw some more money in here. But for the overall market to be bullish for me right now, I would like to see it solidify that bottom range before moving up.
Yep. And so, hey, 3 days is good, but that does not mean we're out of the woods. We still got a lot of volatility left. I mean, to me, still, even with the geopolitical situation, the Fed is still, all of these loose talking Feds from these various states just need to just shut up, put out one thing collectively, okay? And we're not gonna cover SHIB and all of that right now because it's just, what do you got up? What do you have up?
I just have the S&P. So let's look
let's look at the overall market right now, because this one is not going to be long. We're going to continue to cover all of these, the SHIBs and all of that. And the AMCs and the SHIBs, but we want to show you guys this page is about not just chasing the hype stock. Okay, good people. So SHIB has been sitting still. AMC, Doge and all of those, they have been in a price range, right? They're going to break out. I believe SHIB is going to break out again. I actually believe that SHIB will drop another zero within the second half of this year and the first half of next year, right? That's what I believe.
We have to keep an eye on that.
We'll keep an eye on that. But listen, what have we learned? We're not going to chase just the hype stock. We're not doing that here. That's not what we do here. We give you buys and sales, right? But I'm showing you guys that there's other money to be made. Diversify. These are easy plays. And you guys, if you don't, good morning, Nashville. We got to look at it. No, I'm not in a Dow Jones. I just haven't covered it. Nothing wrong with it. I just haven't gotten into it because there's so much other money to be made.
Little position in Dogelon, would be fine.
a little position in it. Go ahead.
Well, yeah. So hey, you guys are gonna get some of my drawing. Hopefully,
thank you,
it's
John
not,
Henry.
Too much drawing. But yeah, throw me into the charts, and I'm just going to show you what I'd like to see in this market. So this is the S&P 500, and in general, we are working against this area of resistance right now. And this has been our area of support, right? This is a bullish, oops, we're moving around here. This is a bullish pattern, but what we need to see it do is we We tested the bottom. We see that here. We've come up against the top a couple times. To be honest with you, we really need to solidify this bottom. We need to solidify this bottom here before we go back up. We'd like to see some progress through this pennant and see that it actually is honoring this support line in this range so that we have more confidence in our eventual move up. Right now, we're in no man's land. We're digesting this last move up, which is fine. But I would actually say that a lot of people are looking for this support line to be validated. So we need to come back before we can move up and potentially break through that long area of resistance. So that's pretty much what what I'm looking for in this market.
Okay, cool. Hey, that's what's up, as they say. That's what's up. All right. And so, what is this, Mara? Any good? Man.
Mara's, it's dependent on Bitcoin, and I actually am bullish on Bitcoin right now, but it's moving sideways, and as we said a moment ago, things are either surging or they're dropping like a knife, and we don't know what's going to happen. If Bitcoin takes off, Mara's good to 2025, potentially in that range. Last I looked at it.
So Josh was a witness to this. One of the reasons how I took $2,400 and ramped it up to $35,000. One of the main things was Mara. Before I had any crypto, I was buying the mining companies, and I loaded up on Mara at $4.50, and I loaded back up at $1.50. Remember that?
I remember that. I was getting it too.
Rolled it up.
You got me into Mara.
Exactly. Hey, listen, good people. Listen. For those of you that are part of the armies, whether it be AMC, Dogecoin, or SHIB, listen, I just want to encourage you guys. So when I talk, I'm going to do this so I don't get an echo. I just want to encourage you guys. There is more money to be made. I want you to diversify. I don't care what you hear on these other pages of just chasing this. What have you learned from 2021? We're just not just chasing these hype coins, okay? That's not how this game is played. I made my first investment in 92. I'm telling you guys, consider the source. You got some of these knuckleheads just pumping and pumping and pumping, you guys. Don't just do it. Are we going to make money? Yes. I made a killing with, I made it not AMC, but SHIB. I made a killing with SHIB. I made a killing with Doge. You guys saw me do it. I got in, I got out, made a killing, okay? I still have my AMC because AMC is different from me, okay? And so I'm just telling you, I'm not going to just chase the hype stock and not just going to show you the hype stock, because what Josh just shared with you guys about the overall market is going to tell you what's going to happen to all of these coins and all of these stocks. If you don't know what's going on with the overall market, you're going to lose money. So if the entire market falls, it's going to take down AMC and it's going to take down all the crypto. You have to understand that. So this is where we got to concentrate on. Then we can go to the individual coins, which we cover, right?
Let's give him Mara real quick.
Yep, go ahead.
Can you throw me into the charts?
Yep, we're going to go to Mara.
Okay, guys. So Mara is trading beneath this 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, which for real simple view is bearish. You see that every time Bitcoin gets to 44, 45, Mara comes up and touches that moving average, right? And until Bitcoin proves that it can get above 44 to 46 and stay above it, we're going to continually bounce underneath this moving average. So I would say that if we get another pop up right now in Bitcoin to 45, it would not shock me if Mara made a little pop up right here to $25 to hit the moving average. So that's simple.
There you go. Hey, we just wanted to come on and share this information with you guys. Let me see what else, if there's anything else going on. Nope, I don't see anything else going on. Hey, I just wanted to come on. We were here discussing, getting ready to go to the breakfast and have a board meeting. I have a meeting twice a month. And I said, hey, let's just pop on and go live and talk to the family right quick. Let's just see who else is in the house. Hey, Quincy Lowe, what's going on? Kyle Frank, what's going on? Cryptomanic, what's going on? Tank Crypto, are you bullish on HEX? I am not bullish on it because I haven't studied it and I don't have it. So I'm neutral. I don't.
There is a Hex Army.
Okay.
I'm not terribly bullish on it. I think that most of that move.
Say that again. You're not.
Yeah, I'm not terribly bullish on it, only because I think I've missed the move. There was a phenomenal movement there. Now, could he revalidate this? Could it have a second wave? Potentially, but that would have to be seen for me in the charts. So at the moment, I actually would say that if you hadn't gotten in and you hadn't made money, I would actually say, I wouldn't be getting in right now.
Brenda, he just covered Mara. Go back. Tesla. Hey, what's happening, man? What's happening? Tesla just made a run, so I wouldn't be chasing it right now. You will be able to get Tesla at a better price than this if you don't have it.
Someone asked about Quant. The technicals on Quant are actually looking pretty good. Just as a side note, I won't go much more into it, but I do see bullish signals on Quant right now.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You guys know where we stand on Solana and Ethereum. Those are long plays. Solana is my number one now, and then Ethereum, and then Bitcoin. All right. Mullen, you covered that.
Yeah, someone said they did a quick trade on DOT the other day, made some money. That's awesome.
Netflix. I'm not touching Netflix. It's falling like it's not good right now.
I'll be honest, I've been starting to watch Netflix because when something hits a 70% down, all of a sudden it begins to call to me. It's like, hey, I'm really down over here.
Disney. I actually, as far as the technicals, Larry is too related to your mama. So, quit tripping, fam. What was I talking about?
Disney.
Listen, I still say that Disney guilt by association. You know what? I'm gonna go to tip ranks and we're gonna end this. Go ahead and talk.
Well, I was gonna say, hey, I still like ADA under $1. So that's gonna be a consistent thought from me. ApeCoin has run up, but I actually believe it still has some run up in it. No, I don't think Netflix will hit 100. I'm long Roblox. I think that's a good play. Apple's been a top performer. Larry, has been talking to you guys about long-term generational wealth and always has said Apple is that company. And if we look at this entire crazy bearish cycle period we've been in, one of the best performers of this entire thing. I mean, Netflix having trouble, Disney, these are great companies having trouble, but Apple,
right.
still making bank.
And so, we know what's happening with Roblox. I just can't believe it. The Kardashians are suing Roblox because of a tape. Anyway, that's going to pass real soon. I'm more, if I was going to dip into Netflix or Roblox, I would be looking to get Roblox instead of Netflix. You probably more Netflix.
Well, I'm watching Netflix,
Roblox.
but I agree with you that the bad press on Roblox is probably only a buy opportunity.
It's only a buy opportunity on Roblox. Okay, so listen, let's go to Disney. Let's look at this real quick. So look at Disney. All right, here we are with Disney. Let me blow this up so you guys can see this. Okay, so here we are with Disney, good people. Listen. I don't take this as the Bible. This is tip ranks, okay? There's a link below for tip ranks if you want it. They have free and they have paid services, okay? But now these are Wall Street analysts, okay? So look, they say within the next 12 months, $186, okay, is where they expect it to be. That's like a 50%, here we are, 49.53% bump from where it is now. Now, what you want to do is look at how long they posted this. We know about all of the crap that's going on with their stances on the whole gay bill, right? That's what's wrong with Disney right now. But the reason why I think it's a buying opportunity is because of guilt by association. This was posted 3 days ago. 3 days ago, 11 days ago, 14. So everything that you see right now, the controversy was already going on, right? Look at this, 170, 182, 190. So if you average these out, you're probably at about 177, all right? Or 180 to 177. Let's just say 180, right? And so we're right here around 180. So that's why I am still more bullish on Disney, because they're getting taken down because of Netflix. We've been through this. Netflix streams, that's it. Disney parks, Disney, so many streams that Disney has, right? They own ABC, they own the sports channel, they own all of these other things. And so when the reopening happened, just like I showed you guys, these reopening plays, right? I showed you guys these reopening plays right here. Disney fits right in here. I'm sorry, right here. So where did I go with it? I guess, where did my reopening plays go? There we go. Sorry, good people. So Disney fits right in here with American Airlines, Norwegian, Hilton, and parks and hotels. Disney fits right in there because it's a reopening play. People have money burning holes in their pockets. They want to get out. They want to have fun. They're going to forget about all of this stuff. And I believe Disney is going to have a record-breaking year this year.
I actually agree with you. I think that Disney is, for me, like a long-term investment.
Thank you for the super chat. I love you.
I will say that I actually see a further downside.
Bro, I got to say bro if I say I love you. Sorry, go ahead.
I see further downside to Disney. I see that it's setting up for a final flush. So I think that we're going to see that real soon. And at that point, it's going to be a buy, buy, buy.
Yes. So you heard him. He's a member of NSYNC. He said buy, buy, buy. But no, he's dollar cost right now. Don't go in heavy on Disney. Okay?
No, because I think we're going to see a little flush still.
Yes. Rivian, Rivian was overpriced, right? Rivian was really heavy overpriced. But I believe long-term, Rivian's going to make a lot of money. Rivian is a long-term play.
A lot of smart money owns it.
A lot of smart money. A lot of institutions own Rivian, okay? And so that's why it's smart money. Always follow the smart money. But now, I wouldn't be loading up, and I would just be going. Did somebody say charge point? Charge point.
Charge point. It's we covered that on Technical Wednesdays with Josh.
Yes.
And
so
it's
what do you call it Wednesdays?
Watch list Wednesdays at the moment.
So we're gonna end it right here. Josh has what's called, because we got to get to a meeting. Josh has what's called
Watch List Wednesdays.
Every Wednesday, Josh. Everybody that's asking a question so far, Portillo's, yes. You must be from the Chi. Portillo's, yes. Solano, yes. But remember what we said on Solano. Everything I've seen so far, Josh covers on his page, all right? Stocks with Josh. There will be a link below as soon as I post this video. And I want you guys to go and subscribe to his page and come back to my page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave 2 videos, right? One is going to be in this box and one is going to be in this box. The one that's in this box is the video that I did yesterday, right? The video that I did yesterday talks about, are you insane? I want everybody to watch this video, and I want everybody to come back and select this video to go to Josh's page.
Listen, if you have family that has any financial trouble, right, and you know they're going to be possibly getting their tax returns, and you don't send them Larry's video, are you insane? Then you don't love them.
Right. We got to stop it, good people. But listen, I want everybody to watch that video, and I want everybody to subscribe to Josh's page, okay? Listen, I also want you guys to check out the links below, okay? I want you to check out Weeble, and I want you to check out Moo. Thank you. I want you to check out Weeble, and I want you to check out Moo. Weeble still has deposit 1 penny and get up to $9,600 in free stocks. And Moo still has 6 free stocks up to $3,500 by depositing $100. And if you need to learn how to use Moomoo, Josh did a video on his page. So let's get to clicking those links. Let's go and subscribe to Stocks with Josh. And I want you to look at my video from yesterday. We're going to leave it right there. We're going to jam for the lamb, and we're going to see you guys tomorrow. Peace and chicken grease.
What's up, good people?